Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandri's Car channel. So as you can see, for today we have this 2025 the Audi SQ7. So in this video we are going to take a look of the interior and the exterior design. Here we have the key. You can see this new LED headlights. This is brand new. You can see the S seats. So right now let's start it up. So right now let's go and take a look of the exterior design, and later on we are going to check the interior. So as we can see right now we are here in the front of the new Audi SQ7. We can see this new LED daytime running lights with the matrix LED headlights, and being the SQ7 we can see we have more sporty bumpers. Also we have this new grille and Audi logo finished in black. Also we have the camera there, because this car is fitted with a 360-degree camera. And just look how beautiful, especially in this color looks this car, guys. You can see we have 22-inch rims with the red brake calipers. This is finished in black. Silver mirror caps like all S models in the Audi. We have tinted rear windows. And you can see in the back we have new LED taillights. Beautiful. And we have quad exhaust, and the engine in this car is a 4-liter V8 which produces 507 horsepower and around 800 Newton meters of torque, with a quattro all-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic transmission. You can see this new Audi logo, more sporty spoiler here. I can show you the trunk is fully electric, of course, and you can see we have plenty of room here. Also we can fold down the rear seats, and you can get with 7 seats in the option list. The badge here, the SQ7. This color looks very good and very interesting, the new color in the Audi. So we have the keyless go. Now we can see the back seats, and you can see the door is very big actually. We have the ashtray here, and we can see this diamond stitching. With contrast red stitching, and it's very roomy here. We have panoramic sunroof, 4-zone climate control with heated rear seats. Beautiful. Also we have this armrest here with 2 cup holders. And right now let's go and take a look of the interior in the front. So we have the badge here, the SQ7 TFSI Quattro, S logo illuminated in the door sills, We have this carbon fiber trim, Alcantara here in the side. And now, as we can see, we are here inside. The interior doesn't change. We have this new virtual cockpit, which we can change the view, the information, the map view. Beautiful. Also we have red stitching in the steering wheel, shift paddles, which, to be honest, it feels a little bit cheap, but the steering wheel feels very high quality. Again, control stitching here in the dash. This is the infotainment, like we used in the Audi, which is very good system. It works very well, it's very responsive, and it gives very good feedback, so you know what are you touching. Also we have this for the climate control. We have ventilated and heated seat. The drive select here. Efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Also we have the air suspension, so it depends in what mode you are. We have the quattro badge here. The gear lever. Beautiful. Also we have the heated steering wheel, which is very handy, and I can show you now the 360-degree camera. We have 3D look here, so you can see all around the car, and this car is quite big, so in the tight spaces this is very helpful. And being the SQ7, you can see this is with a red start stop button, volume control, and the build quality is very good, guys. We have here two cup holders. Here we have the storage and wireless charging there with two USB-C ports. Beautiful car, guys. Really good. Also we have the blind spot assist, and the driving position is very good. You can see very good out of the road, and the visibility is amazing. Well done, Audi. Also we have very good storage in the side doors here to put your drink. Also we have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which sounds very good and very clear. And we have black headliner with a panoramic sunroof. And in option you can get with the Alcantara headlining. We have there the head-up display, but it's very bright outside, and I don't know if you can see that. Beautiful car, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the new Audi SQ7. Comment down below what do you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come. And we see you in the next one.